Namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Active Global Solutions. It is a special info platform for all the viewers about education and its related aspects. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel and to get regular updates, press bell icon. 21st century is competitive era. We can compete with others by having good education. But education is become expensive, especially for higher education. Education loan is the best option to pursue higher education. Students and parents are facing challenges while avail education loan, such as lack of flexibility, lengthy process, not avail loan at on time, etc. Education loan from HDFC Credila is the best solution because it is India's first dedicated education loan lender. It is subsidiary of HDFC Limited. It provides income tax benefits and many more. Let us go to its webpage www.hdfccredila.com. At the left side, we can see a drop-down list which contains different tabs about education loan. At the top, there are 5 different tabs. If we click first one, it gives details about HDFC Credila. It is India's first dedicated education loan specialist with customized door delivery loan services. It provides 100% finance, no upper limit on loan. Long-term loans with easy EMIs are its key features. Next, if we click second tab, it gives details about student benefits. It makes students become more independent. It approves the loan before admission. It funds total cost, including living and other expenses of education. If we click tab 3, it gives details about parents' benefits. It gives tax benefits. It is most trusted because it is a subsidiary of HDFC Limited. It makes their kids more responsible. Tab 4 on dashboard appears 3 subtabs. If we click first subtab, it gives details about higher education in India. It gives loan for MBA, MBBS, engineering, executive management courses and other courses like B.Ed, MSc, BCA, MCA, etc. Next subtab, higher education in USA. All courses avail loan approval before confirmation of admission. It transfers loan amount in US dollar to the universities or the colleges. Next subtab, higher education in abroad. Those who pursuing education in Canada, France, Germany, like more than 35 countries, 100 plus courses, and all the universities or colleges, it has already given loan. Its loan application process is very simple. First, fill up online application form. Then, Credila team visit us and submission of documents. Then, review the application with the documents, approval of loan, then transfer of loan amount to the bank account. If we click 5th tab, apply for education loan, application pop-up form will appear. A part contains student details like name, contact, address and details. B part details of course like name of the course, university, college, etc. C details about co-borrower or parent or guardian, their details. D part collateral security. It can be flat, house, non-agricultural land, etc. But for some courses, collateral security is not mandatory. E part, contact preference. Once you fill the details, at the bottom of the form, if you click submit icon, your application form will submit. Let's check required documents. 2 passport size photo of applicant and co-applicant. Photo ID of applicant and co-applicant, Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. Residential proof applicant or co-applicant, again Aadhaar card and passport. Academic documents of student, 10th, 12th marks card and UG marks card. Proof of admission, if available only. Last 8 months bank statement of co-applicant. Income proof of co-applicant. Salary certificate. 2 years income tax returns or if any documents. Collateral security, document of property deed, tax bill, etc. Other than original application form, all other documents are self-attested photocopies need to be submitted. During the course, student can apply and avail loan facilities. It gives various exciting offers for students. It has received AA plus ratings by CRISIL and CARE. HDFC Credila on newspaper and media. Through all these ways, you can contact HDFC Credila. Let's conclude this session by quote of Ever Garrison. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in pupils. Thank you.